Misha Emily Nichol. I'm Emily MacDonald.
Sauna Portmahomack is to share Rosh Hami O'Hoos, but I've been living in Inverness for long enough now. Barrief Uyakam Gaelic on a Vamigama Og. I had an interest in Gaelic when I was at school, but I didn't have the chance to learn it then. Had the Horsich ni Giunsach Gaelic Gusonomi Och Bliana Giag, Sanolhai, on Indonesian. I took it as part of my course. My husband is a Gaelic speaker and we speak Gaelic at home with our 2 daughters.
Yeah.
There's a good Gaelic community in Inverness and lots of my friends speak Gaelic.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Oh, right. Ha maak Gaelic a vriend, go trich sa siringain.
Is still am via shul. I work as a geography teacher and I've been to Africa twice to work in a school. It would be good to do some more travelling, especially with the girls. Be me a clich na file. I play the fiddle and as a teenager I took an interest in Gaelic music. I used to go to the feish and I always felt that I couldn't quite get the feeling of the music without understanding the language. Nishgevil Gaelic akamanisha, hatuksha na shar akamirichol. I can appreciate the music on a whole other level. Hopefully this will translate into my playing.